यार बिल्कुल भी मन नहीं है आज वर्कआउट करने का. Oh my god. Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel guys. My name is Sujala and आज हम करेंगे वेलापंती. Because आज मैंने कुछ भी प्लान नहीं किया है and we are going to do maybe 4 or 5 workouts and we are going to do something because इट्स बीन सम टाइम और मैंने कुछ भी वर्कआउट नहीं किया है, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया है, मैं बस खा रही हूँ और घर में पड़ी हुई हूँ. सो आई वाज थिंकिंग लेट्स डू सम वर्कआउट एंड व्हेन आई डू सम वर्कआउट लेट्स शूट इट टू. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डू 4 or 5 exercises and each exercise we are going to do it for 3 times. कुछ भी जो भी मेरे मन में आएगा आई विल स्टार्ट डूइंग इट एंड each set we are going to do 10 राउंड्स, मतलब 10 बार करेंगे एक सेट में और वैसे हम 3 सेट्स करेंगे. लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज. ओके सो शुरू करते हैं एंड I think let's start with jumping jacks. Let's do 10 counts, one set, 10 counts, and let's start.
There's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today.
Set 2. Yo, last set. Yo, we are done. Body is warmed. Now, let's move to the next one. What should we do next? Let's do some squats. Let's start from the lower part of the body. And we're going to do squats. Set 2. 1. And set 3. Let's do it. 1, 2, 5, 6, 8. Done. Okay, so next one, maybe we did our legs. Let's move up. We're going to do something for our hips. So I'm going to lie down. And okay, let us start. Set 1. दूसरी साइड कर लेती हूँ ना, आई थिंक दूसरी साइड कर लेंगे एक ही बार में, वरना एक लेग तो चला जाएगा. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट ऑन द अदर साइड. And change again. We are finishing set 2.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process.
One more set to go.
But mankind won't.
रुकना नहीं है. I have to finish this.
You and I are working here today. It's evidence of that.
on the other side. Oh, mommy. Hips are done. I think I should move a little up and do some crunches. Okay. Okay. And let's begin, guys. One. Okay, let's do it with leg up. I think it'll be cool. One, two. Last set. Okay, last set. Come on. One. What else? I think upper body, थोड़ा सा upper body भी बनता है. I have to do. Let's do knee push-ups and keeping the knees down. We are going to do some knee push-ups. Again 3 set करेंगे and we can do some variation. Okay, we can add some variation. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, come on, 8, 9, come on girl, and 10. Okay, I'll do some wide push-ups now. I'm tired of the first one. Can begin. 1, very good. 2, 3, 4. Last set करना है क्या? Okay, this time I'm going to do keeping the palms closer, guys. Let's start. Don't stop. 1, अरे बाप रे. 2, 3, 4, awesome. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Last one. 10. Yes, and we are done, guys. Okay, we should work out daily. Bye. See you soon.